once again, those of you just log in with the single name, you need to enter your full name in the chat box for attendance. Okay, this is another example here. F of x equal to x squared plus 4, and g of x is 2x plus 7. Anybody know what is that little symbol means? F of is g of. Anybody know the name for this? This little symbol here. What is that equal to? Anybody?
You're going to take f of x and replace f in g of x with f of x.
Okay. So what is that called? Anybody know the name? So this little symbol means composition. Composition of g respect to f. So that would be g of f of x. That's what it means. Okay. So let's talk about this a little bit. Make sure we can follow this. So if I have, in this case, f of x is equal to x squared plus 4, and g of x is equal to 2x plus 7, g of f of x means g of f of x, like this. So what we do here is we substitute whatever we have for f of x here. In this case, f of x is given to me as x to the power of 2 plus 4. So composition of f respect to f means g of, and then I substitute f of x with all this stuff here. So what is g of x squared plus 4? That's the question. To know what g of anything is, you have to go back to the g function. G of x is given to me as 2x plus 7. If I know g of x is equal to 2x plus 7, I should be able to find anything else I want. I should know what f of 1 is, g of 1 is, or g of 2 is, or g of 3 is, and so on. That's all I have to do is just substitute for each x the value 1 or 2 in this case. So this is 1, 2. So now I understand what that means. I can figure out what g of x squared plus 4 is then, right? Because in this case, let me make this a color too. So in this case, g of x squared plus 4 would be basically substituting in the g function. Everywhere you see x, instead of those 1 or 2, you're going to substitute this value here, which is x squared plus 4. Can we understand this concept? So if I know g of x is equal to 2x plus 7, from there I can find g of 1, g of 2, g of anything. That could be expression in this case. So in this case, g of x squared plus 4, which is really is what we're trying to solve here, f composition of g respect to f, is right here. So let's just go ahead and evaluate that. So that would be, if I distribute this, I get 2x to the power of 2 plus 2 times 4, 8, plus 7. So this is 2x to the power of 2 plus 15. Okay, any question as how to find g of x squared plus 4 now? Everybody follow what we're doing so far? Question? Which this one is, so this right here is composition of g respect to f. Okay, so composition of g respect to f, we figured is 2x squared plus 15. So what is composition of g respect to f of, in this case they're saying 6. That's all I have to do, just substitute for each x6 here. Okay, so somebody wants to evaluate that. That would be 6 squared, 36. 36 times 2 would be 72. That would be 72 plus 15. So that gives you 87. Right there. Okay. Any question, anyone? You're going to see a couple of problems like that in the next test, or and also final exam, where you need to know how to find these compositions. Can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this? Let me bring this one more time. If I have f, composition of f respect to g, it means f of g of x. Composition of g respect to f would be g of f of x. Okay, I want to see check mark in front of everybody's name. Really? Sandra, Monica, Marine, Hejan, are you guys okay? You're not responding.